to send Supercrush to someone on Happn. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can send Supercrush to someone on Happn. Firstly, open your Happn application and navigate to the home page. On the home page of the Happn application, you will find various profiles suggested by Happn based on your criteria. Here, find the person to whom you want to send a Supercrush. When you find the person's profile, there you will see Supercrush button usually indicated by a star icon. Click on this button to send the Supercrush to that person. Now you will be directed to this page. Here, if you want to add a personalized message to accompany your Supercrush, then click on this box and add a message to it. Then click on this send button to send the message to the person. This can help you to stand out and get their attention. So in this way you can send Supercrush to someone on Happn. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.